Hello, welcome to this new video. Actually, due to a tight schedule, after a long time I'm making this video, and I'm promising I'll try to make video every day, or you can say every alternate day. I'll try my best. Okay, so this video I'm trying to making about on indicators. Everybody, you will see in every chart, you will see there is an option of indicators. Okay. So we should know what are the indicators and how it should be used, its structures, behaviors, types of indicators. Okay, what are the different types of uses also. So if we'll go for indicators, just remind one thing. When we are going for some online shopping, we are getting so many confirmations to buy a product, like its color, like its brand, like customers view, and you can say its discount prices and everything. So for the more confirmation, or you can say more possibilities where we will get, that will be a very good chance for us to enter in our trading style. So to getting more confirmation or also more reliability, we can use indicators add-on in our chart. So if we'll go for indicators, then what are the indicators really? Indicators are a set of tools applied to a trading chart that help make the market more clear. Of course, it will show you the market's visibility clearly. For example, they can confirm if the market is trending or if the market is ranging. Indicators can also provide specific market information, such as when an asset is overbought, also it can be oversold or in a range. Or you can say it may be reversal, or you can say it may be in sideways, something like this. So from the indicators, we can get all these things: overbought zone, oversold zone, reversal zone, your sideways area, everything you can get from the help of indicators. What do indicators look like? Basically, if we'll go for indicators, indicators look like two type of things. One is below the chart and another is above the chart. Just I'm showing you one indicator which is coming below the chart. So see, this is one indicator named as RSI. It will show you below the chart. See, this area is our charting area. Okay, and here is the indicator which is applied on the below the chart. Okay, so which indicator is coming directly on the chart? So many indicators are coming directly on the chart. I'm showing you one simple thing. You know, one indicator you must be listen. This is VWAP. If you plot VWAP, it will come directly on the chart. You see, directly on the chart. So different types of indicators have different type of stories. Okay, so we have to identify which indicators are coming below the chart, which indicators are coming above the chart, or you can say, sorry, directly in the chart. So now we'll compare the behaviors. So many indicators are there whose behaviors are something like different. Some indicators are giving you lagging information. Lagging information means it will show you the information little late. Okay, it will show you information little late. So you can say it is lagging information. Some indicators can give you information earlier, or you can say at the time also. You can say this indicator is one of leading indicator. So after this class, the another video, I will tell you which indicators are lagging and which indicators are leading indicators. Okay, so till now we know that we are using indicators in chart only for to make clear view, or you can say more confirmation. Okay, more confirmation. Second thing, why you are using indicators? We are using indicators to find out reversal, find out trendy market, find out sideways or range bound market. So this type of things we can find out the help of the indicators. Then how many types of indicators are there? There are two types of indicators. One indicator we can apply directly on the chart, another indicator we can apply below the chart. Okay, so you can say according to the behaviors, which type of indicators are there? There are two types of indicators. One is showing you lagging, another is showing you leading. Okay, lagging indicator is little delay, means price will move fast. Lagging indicator moves after the price. And leading indicators, sometimes it is moving with the price, or you can say it is giving you little earlier confirmation. Okay, so this was for today. We can make another session with which type of indicators are lagging, which type of indicators are leading, which type of indicators we are using in that on the chart, which type of indicators we are using below the chart, and which type of indicators are trending indicators, which are the oscillating indicators, uses. Everything will come very soon. Thank you.